Let me show you how I make a video like this.
As long as God is with you, no weapon formed against you will prosper.
To some of you who want to be doing faceless channel, let me show you how to create this kind of video that will be going viral, especially those of you that want to do motivational speaking. So if you are into motivation, you are into quotes and all that, you don't want your face to be showing, you don't want people to know that you are the one, you don't want people to know that you are the one that is creating this kind of content, stay with me to the end of this video. I'm going to show you how you can create a video like this and it will be going viral, and in no distance time you will get your monetization. So now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to this channel at Oga Frayo TV. I'm going to show you more and more of this video, and also share the video so that other people can benefit, or you can equally save it to watch it later. Okay, now see you in the video. Now you are going to click on your TikTok, click on the plus sign, it will open like this. Like I see my face now like this. You see these two sides, see this downside, look for this background.
They tried to bury you, but they didn't know you were a seed. People tried so hard to ruin your name, to stain your reputation, to twist your truth. But instead, they tried to bury you, but they didn't know you were a seed. People tried so hard to ruin your name, to stain your reputation, to twist your truth. But instead, they tried to bury you, they didn't know you were a seed. People tried so hard to ruin your name, to stain your reputation, to twist your truth. But
now click for here, click on the caption. When you click on the caption, it will generate automatic caption for you about whatever they are saying in the video will come out exactly. So you click on the caption, it will generate the write-up for you. As the video is playing, the writing will be coming up on the screen. So that's how it is. Now as you can see, now it has generated the caption for you. So now see the caption, the write-up now is up there now. So you can see
they tried to bury you, but they didn't know you were.
Side like this. When you come to the new side, when you play it and see, you discover that the write-up will be displaying. You see now. Then if you don't want their font, you can choose another font. Me, I'm going to use this one.
They tried to bury you, but
take balance mount. So now at this point in time, you can equally save it.
They tried to bury you, but they didn't know you were a seed.
You can post it like this directly on your story, on your anywhere. But before you post it on any of your handle, make sure you put the title. Add your title. Maybe for example, now let me just add this one like this. I just add something like this. Then put my hashtag. What kind of hashtag I want to make come? Yes, okay. Hashtag FYP hashtag. So as you know, hashtag FYP means hashtag for you page. So now you continue like this. Then you now click on. If you look for, you try to know whether this thing is on you can decide to put your watermark. Scroll down small, you see more option, you click on it and you look on Friday button. So how after you have done with all of this, the next thing is how you can click on posting. Now it will come like this. It will be loading and loading and loading. As you can see, look at the video there, it's loading. It has come to join other video that's in the channel. So it will load like this. Mind you, this thing can only be done on TikTok also and on YouTube. So you can do the same thing exactly like this on your YouTube channel. So like this, you wait for it for some time, it will load.
They tried to bury you, but they didn't know you were a seed. People tried so hard to ruin your name, to stain your reputation, to twist your truth.